Hi, I'm Sandy Raines, and I want to be your next council member for the city of Laguna Niguel. I love the fact that Laguna Niguel has so many fabulous parks for our community to enjoy. I pledge to continue supporting legislation that creates safe parks and recreational facilities for our youth and seniors to enjoy. As your council member, I promise to keep residents informed about the progress of our new Laguna Niguel Community Center as well as other projects. On November 6th, vote Sandy Raines, Laguna Niguel City Council.